Here's some Danube River Basin trivia. Subscribe. Which country is the source of the Danube? Is it A, Romania, B, Hungary, C, Austria, or D, Germany? The correct answer is D, Germany. Which two countries are connected by the Iron Gates Gorge on the Danube? Is it A, Austria, B, Moldova, C, Romania and Serbia, or D, Croatia? The correct answer is C, Romania and Serbia. What body of water does the Danube flow into? Is it A, Black Sea, B, Mediterranean Sea, C, Atlantic Ocean, or D, Adriatic Sea? The correct answer is A, Black Sea. Which mountain range marks the origin of the Danube? Is it A, Alps, B, Pyrenees, C, Black Forest, or D, Carpathians? The correct answer is C, Black Forest. Which city along the Danube is famous for its beer gardens? Is it A, Munich, B, Belgrade, C, Prague, or D, Zagreb? The correct answer is A, Munich. What type of climate is found in the Danube Basin? Is it A, tropical, B, polar, C, arid, or D, continental? The correct answer is D, continental. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.